Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm sorry for not being uploading for the past couple of days, guys. I've been very busy. I've been trying focus more on email marketing and just I had a little dip on Facebook, so I had my focus on there. So what's the problem? And I noticed like my couple of my videos reached ad fatigue, like my creatives, and was I'm like kind of recycling new creatives like every week, like every 1 week and a half. So like I noticed last time I cycled a new creative was like kind of 1.5 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that. So that video was still good, but the videos that was before that, they were the audience was getting tired of them, So I cycled new creative, and 2 days ago I did it, and the like at the night I did it for the day after, like because I always put my creative like my ad sets to go live the next day. So when I did that on Friday we did 10K, guys. Like that creative did everything. It was the bomb creative. I just saw like what creative worked, and I just duplicated, made it better one, and this creative had around like a 7% click through rate. So yeah, it win a lot of auctions. So and after this day after we did $11,000, which was yesterday, and today we're kind of doing good. Like it's still 2 hours left, and we are around $9,000. So I'm just like still focusing on consistency with sales, not like scaling, like giving high budget, because that yesterday and day before that, and even today, I haven't launched any more campaigns, or didn't I even like up the budget in any of my campaigns. Just it's the same campaign, same budget, just new creative, guys, nothing more. Like I'm just spending like at max around $4,000 a day or $3,000 a day, nothing more, like nothing so crazy. It doesn't mean like if you give it more budget you're gonna get better results. Yeah, in CBOs like that are already giving you like 3 or 4 plus ROAS, so maybe that. But like I don't want to, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just keeping it, like scaling it slowly and be consistent. And at the moment we are around $175,000. So we like in next week, like in couple of 4 days maybe, we're going to reach 200K, guys, like in 2 weeks, kind of. Since we reached 100K, yeah, we're going to be like more 210K or something like that. So it's been pretty crazy, guys. So I'm thinking about the launching a new product to my store, because I have like a pixel data, so I can scale that product as well, like related to this audience. But beside that, guys, I'm trying to launch a new product beside this store. I found a new winning product that I want to test, and I know that's going to work like in summer. And it's not seasonal product, but it's kind of go with it. So I just missed the action. And besides that, I'm just been reading books, trying to educate myself as much as I can, guys. But yeah, man, it's like basically it. And I just want to appreciate all of you guys that's been messaging me on Instagram, commenting on YouTube videos. I appreciate all the support, guys. It makes me so happy. All you guys asking me questions, about everything. It just makes me so happy. Just never stop, please. So yeah, guys, and I've been like connecting with a couple of people so that's kind of surprise. But I'm going in behind the scenes, guys. Like I'm trying to make a new videos for you, but this video is not like this, like talking 101. I'm just trying to put more work into it, and fill my screen, and like just give more value. And one thing I want you to know, in the summer, my most focus is going to be on YouTube, just making content for you guys, and like just make YouTube content better, up the game here, um, and just provide value as much as I can. But guys, like you can see all my videos, like how I've been and where I'm now. But like you don't need any course or anything, man. Just hang in there, and just try new products, and just don't test product like so fast. I recommend you like test more creative and more angle with the same product. Maybe your video isn't good, because everything goes together. Your website, your creative, your product, your offer, all of these go together. Like one of them missing, the other three is going to fail. It's not always about the product. Maybe it's about your website, the way you set up things, or maybe it's about your creative, which is in my belief like most important thing. I just told you, like with one creative, uploading just one creative with the same budget and same CVOs, nothing more. Like I just did two extra $1,000. Like guys, like my product is high ticket kind of, $43, $44. and like I'm around 6 to 7% conversion, and that's mad for high ticket product, and just I just make my website branded, and like people think like if you put more price into it, they think like that premium thing. They say, okay, this product costs a little bit more, maybe something special, maybe if someone, all of my competitors, like if that they're selling for half the price, like half the price they're selling with, like maybe less than half the price, guys. So they're selling for 25, $23. I was like, what is this? So yeah, guys, I'm just try to be different. Don't go to the price war, if you ask me, you can just put always your prices up and test it, so I have reached my price limit, so I know what price is working for me. After 20 or 30 orders, I up the price by $1 to $2 to see how the ROAS drops. But like more than this price I'm currently in, I can't sell it anymore because yeah, performance rate drops and I get greedy, But beside that, I have another post-purchase upsell that I told you in my last video, that I tell them to buy the same product again in the competitor price. So this time they buy it again for half the price, which is like $20 or something, and there I'm still profit, So yeah, guys, it's high profit margin with this store, but like I can like get down my product price, and there's like benefits and like bad things about that as well, because if you have like lower ticket product cost, you're going to get to more sales, more conversion rate. Like, so in the pixel you're going to gather data more and target like more people fast, you're going to gather data faster, because yeah, your product is cheap and everybody can buy it or something like that. So you get more purchases, more data for lookalike audiences, and Facebook sees your conversion rate on your store 13%. So Facebook take that everything in counter. So you're going to show your product to more people. And that's one of the good things with low ticket product, like under $29, what I found out. Like, but the high ticket, you get sales less, and it takes more time for you to gather data, and that's the one thing about my product. Like if I took my product price down to $5-6 or something to $35, guys, I know like my conversion rate going to up to 15%. I know it for 100%, but I don't need more orders. I need more profit, because more orders, more customers that will email you, more angry customers, and it's harder for you to get up your Facebook feedback score, if you're drop shipping and stuff. So yeah, you have to think about that as well. So I don't care about more orders, I just care about the profit. That's what you are in for, So yeah, guys, that's basically it, so I see you in the next video. Peace.